The fascinating world of chameleons, color-changing masters. Did you know that chameleons don't actually change color primarily to blend with their surroundings? This common misconception has been perpetuated in cartoons and popular culture, but the reality is even more fascinating. The science behind color change. Chameleons possess an extraordinary ability to change their skin color through a complex mechanism involving specialized cells in their skin. This color-changing ability is made possible by two main types of cells. Chromatophores. These specialized skin cells contain different pigments. Some contain yellow, red, or black pigments that can be expanded or contracted to display different colors. When a chameleon wants to change color, its nervous system signals these cells to expand or contract, altering the visible color. Iridophores. These are perhaps the most fascinating part of the chameleon's color-changing ability. Discovered in 2015, iridophores contain tiny nanocrystals made of guanine, one of the building blocks of DNA, arranged in a lattice formation. These transparent crystals reflect light differently based on how they're arranged. When the crystals are tightly packed, they reflect blue and green wavelengths of light. When the crystals are more loosely arranged, they reflect longer wavelengths like red, orange, and yellow. Chameleons have multiple layers of these cells, allowing for complex color combinations. They also possess a deeper layer of iridophores with larger, more disorganized crystals that reflect infrared light, helping them regulate body temperature. Why chameleons change color? Contrary to popular belief, chameleons don't primarily change color to match their environment. Their color changes are triggered by emotional states. Chameleons change color based on their mood and to send social signals to other chameleons. For example, darker colors often indicate anger or submission. Brighter colors like red and yellow appear when they're excited, such as during mating displays or territorial confrontations. Temperature regulation. Chameleons may change to darker colors to absorb more heat when cold, or lighter colors to reflect heat when warm. Social signaling. Male chameleons display bright colors to attract mates or intimidate rivals. The speed and brightness of color change can often predict which chameleon will win in a confrontation. More amazing chameleon facts. Beyond their color-changing abilities, chameleons have several other remarkable adaptations. Independently rotating eyes. Chameleons can move each eye separately, giving them a 360-degree field of vision. One eye can look forward while the other scans their surroundings. Lightning-fast tongues. Their tongues can extend to catch prey within a fraction of a second, reaching speeds that exceed 41 g of force. Super sticky saliva. Chameleon saliva is approximately 400 times stickier than human saliva, allowing them to effectively capture prey with their tongues. No tail regeneration. Unlike many other lizards, chameleons cannot regrow their tails if they lose them. Their tails function more like an additional limb. Ancient origins. Chameleons have been around for an incredibly long time, with fossil evidence dating back over 60 million years. The next time you see a chameleon changing color, remember it's not trying to hide, it's actually expressing its emotions or regulating its body temperature through an incredible natural technology that scientists are still working to fully understand.